Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to PowerDrift QuickEase and welcome to the Lamborghini Urus SE. Now I have two of these cars and this has two sort of powertrains in it. This is the first ever hybrid Urus and thankfully the hybrid has not meant downsizing, but there are a few other changes around the car. Let's quickly take a look at those. Firstly, around the front, you get these slightly different headlights. They are slimmer and they have this LED DRL signature that's supposed to be a bull's tail, but I don't know if it really is that. Then around the front, you have a slightly different bumper with this aggressive cut here that's inspired by the Review Alto. Around the side, it's pretty similar. This one has really sick rims as well. Red brake calipers, of course, you can customize all of that. There's about 100 colors to choose from. Around the back, there are a few more changes. Lamborghini says these tail lights are inspired by the Gallardo. Again, I don't really see the similarity. Does look cool though. They've sort of sleeked it up, tightened things up here in the back. There's a black strip going across. It just looks a little bit neater. Honestly though, the front end, I preferred the older Urus, but I like the rear of this Urus. The bonnet is open now. Let's quickly go and talk about the engine, because this under the hood is not downsized. It is still a twin turbo V8. It gets an electric motor for assist, and that electric motor can do 60 kilometers of electric driving only, but of course that's not really that important with a Lamborghini. What is important is the total system output of 800 horsepower, 950 Newton meters of torque. That's enough torque to sort of stop the earth rotating. 0 to 100 is 3.4 seconds and it gets a top speed of 312 kilometers per hour. This is still not as fast as the Urus Performante, at least to 100, but it is faster to 200 and it has a higher top speed than the Urus Performante. It's called the Urus SE, and yes, there will probably be an SE Performante or an E Performante, but until then, this at rupees 4.57 crores is the only hybrid Lamborghini SUV that you can buy.